Everyone thinks premium hatchbacks have to be German. The 2026 DS number 4 is here to prove them spectacularly wrong. This French rebel just crashed the party with something the Audi A3 and BMW 1 Series can't touch. And it starts the moment you see that front grille. This isn't just a redesign, it's a complete visual rebellion. The grille stretches across the entire front end with an illuminated light signature that flows from bumper to bumper, converging at the glowing DS logo in the center. It's inspired by DS's Formula E concept car, and you can see every millisecond of that racing DNA. The Matrix LED vision headlamps don't just light the road, they announce your arrival. The bonnet extends 12 millimeters further than before, creating this impossibly flat, aggressive stance that sits lower to the ground. At 4.4 meters long, it's compact, but it looks twice as wide and 3 times as expensive as it actually is. Pop the hood, and you'll find the real revolution. The E-Tense electric powertrain delivers 213 horsepower and 343 newton-meters of torque from a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery. That's enough to hit 60 in 7.1 seconds, but the performance number everyone's obsessed with is the range. 280 miles on a single charge. Real-world, usable, no anxiety range. And when you do need to charge, it goes from 20 to 80% in just 30 minutes at a rapid charger, or add 100 kilometers of range in 11 minutes. DS didn't just slap a battery in a French hatchback and call it premium. They engineered this powertrain using technology directly from their Formula E program. The software, the thermal management, the efficiency, all of it comes from actual racing. This is the first time the number 4 has ever been available fully electric, and DS made sure it wasn't just competitive. It's a statement. Step inside and you're immediately hit with something the Germans can't offer at this price point. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster that's wider, sharper, and easier to read than anything in the segment. Next to it, a 10-inch touchscreen running the DS Iris system. And here's the twist. It's powered by ChatGPT. You can have full conversations with your car, ask complex questions, get real answers. It's not just voice commands. It's actual artificial intelligence in your dashboard. The seats are wrapped in either black Alcantara with light gold trim or Criollo brown Napa leather, depending on your spec. Both feel like they belong in a car twice this price. The ambient lighting is hidden behind disguised air vents, creating this clean, minimalist cockpit that still feels luxurious. DS Drive Assist 2.0 gives you Level 2 semi-autonomous driving with automatic lane changes and overtaking. So here's the final question. How much does a premium French hatchback with Formula E tech, ChatGPT integration, and 280 miles of electric range actually cost? 47,000 euros. That's where the E-Tense Palace starts in France. You're getting exotic French design, cutting-edge AI, and genuine racing technology for less than a loaded German equivalent. The 2026 DS number 4 just redefined what premium means, and the Germans didn't see it coming. Next time, we're cracking open the plug-in hybrid version to see if 225 horsepower changes the game. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.